Okay, safety committees. What exactly is a safety committee?
Committees of safety are meant to coordinate the peacekeeping forces of our land and soil jurisdiction states.
Okay, so why do we need them?
They ensure that our peacekeeping forces are intelligently managed and intent on keeping the peace.
Got it. And are there different types of committees?
Absolutely. There are state level and county level committees of safety.
Okay, how many people make up a committee?
No fewer than 3, and the more the better, but we want to try and keep the numbers uneven to prevent the vote being gridlocked.
Got it. Okay, and who makes up a committee?
Could be any American state national or American state citizen.
Okay, so what you're saying is that these committees are meant to make sure that our sheriffs and anyone that's involved in the peacekeeping, our marshals, are doing it intelligently and peacefully, and so we, the people, just need to kind of check up on them and make sure everything's going smoothly, right?
That is correct.
Okay, awesome. And if someone wants to be part of the committee, who do they reach out to?
They should reach out to their county coordinator or state coordinator.
Great. Hope you enjoy the lesson.